If your entire workflow relies on one AI platform, it's a critical liability. When a policy changes or a server crashes, your productivity dies instantly. To safeguard your output, you need a multi-tool setup. We are going to integrate Claude into your workflow by the end of the day, ensuring zero downtime. I have provided a full written version of this framework on my Medium page, which you can find at the link on your screen. Most marketers fail this migration because they use ChatGPT logic on a tool built with entirely different mechanics. Think of ChatGPT as your junior execution team. It performs best with short task lists for fast delivery. Claude is your senior strategist. It does not want a task list. It requires a strategic briefing. It responds to context, identity, and complex reasoning. If you skip the briefing and use command-based prompts, Claude will only produce generic garbage. That is why most migration attempts fail within the first hour. Step 1 is recalibrating your brand voice. Instead of starting with a blank prompt, we are going to use your own historical data to set the standard. Start by gathering 5 of your best-performing articles or blog posts. These represent your gold standard for writing. Paste those samples into Claude and use this exact instruction to identify your tone, vocabulary, and repeating patterns. You want a summary in 10 precise bullet points. Once you paste the content and run that prompt, Claude will generate a data-backed profile of how you actually write. Read the output carefully. Correct any errors and add any missing style elements until that list is a perfect reflection of your brand. You now have a concrete brand voice document created in 15 minutes. This translates your intuition into a set of rules the AI can follow. Step 2 is leveraging Claude's massive context window. A context window is the limit on how much information the AI can process and remember during a conversation. Marketers often waste this by asking the AI to write from nothing. When the AI has to guess, the quality drops. Instead, feed it raw reality. You can upload a 40-page industry report and instruct Claude to extract a 30-day content calendar based only on those findings. You can also feed it a raw podcast transcript to repurpose the conversation into high-converting LinkedIn posts. Claude is a thinking engine. Its quality multiplies only when it processes real data, rather than trying to guess what you want. Step 3 makes this setup permanent through system-level persona injection. This ensures Claude knows who you are before you even send your first message. In the Claude interface, click your profile, go to Settings, and find the Personal Preferences tab. We are going to paste a master persona template here. This data loads automatically at the start of every new conversation. You need to input your specific professional details, including your target audience and your goals for building EEAT. EEAT stands for experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. This is also where you set negative constraints. Explicitly ban corporate jargon and common AI words like delve, tapestry, or testament. Hard-coding this persona eliminates repetitive setup. Claude will now open every session ready to write in your voice, with instant quality. Your migration is complete. Your content workflow is now upgraded for a more resilient, multi-tool future. We are now in the era of the multi-LLM stack. To stay competitive, run a portfolio of tools. Use ChatGPT for data execution and fast automation. Use Gemini for real-time research across the web and its integrated ecosystem. What is the most time-consuming task in your current AI workflow? Drop it in the comments, and I will reply with a framework to fix it. The single-tool era is over. A specialized portfolio is the only way to safeguard your productivity and scale your business operations for the long term.